Welcome to online class. Today's topic is social work network services. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. Now I am going to discuss about the topics. First I will hang the written passage and then read out the passage. The advantage of internet technology have made it possible to immerse a good number of websites to facilitate social relations among people around the world. The internet technology has been developed and it has made it possible to show a good number of websites to facilitate or communicate relationships among the people around the world. These are known as social networking services or social networks. We know these devices are as social networking services and networks. At present, Facebook is the most popular. Google, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. are other frequently used social services. There are very networking services in the world, Twitter, Google, but among these, Facebook is the well-known networking services. Social network services are web-based and hence provide ways for the users to interact through the internet. It is web-based and the social network, the users provide, the networks helps them to connect the other people through the internet. This service make it possible to connect people sharing interests and activities across the borders and thus have made a lot the users to feel that they really live in a global village. These services help the users to connect the people among the world and they are so easy to communicate the other people crossing the borders. The users feel they live in a global village. Why are social network expanding so fast? What is the reason of expanding fast a social network services? The answer is simple. The answer is very simple. Everybody knows it, the reasons. Most of the social services are cost-free. People have not spent money to use it. You can make use of them free, paying a very little. Sorry. Sorry for interruption. Again I will start my reading. Paying a very little to your internet service providers. They have to expend, they have to pay something to the providers, internet providers. Secondly, you can make your personal profile public before the entire online community. Secondly, you can make your personal profile to show before the all other people of the world who use internet. You can also look into other profiles if you are interested. If you want to show the other profiles, you may show it. It is simple and easy. Thirdly, social networks allow users to upload pictures, multimedia contents and modify the profile. Thirdly, social networks allow the users to download various informations that are very necessary for the users, videos and other things. Some services like Facebook allows to update their profiles. Some services, various services like Facebook allow users to update their profiles. Fourthly, networks allow users to post blog entries. User profiles have a section decided to connect from friends and other users. In these internet services, the users have a separate part by which he can connect the other peoples that he may need to connect. Finally, there are privacy protection measures too. It has a private measures connection to protect themselves from others. A user himself or herself decides over the numbers of visitors, viewers and information should be shared with others. A user himself or herself wants to share with others and which information should be shared, they allow them, which are not necessary, they should block it. One should block it. This is the process. I have tried to make it easy for you. Then I discuss the multiple choice questions and answer the questions. Choose the correct answer from the alternatives. Here there are many answers. One of the correct answer, rest of them are wrong and near. In the passage, the word emerge means come out. First, disappear. Disappear means remove. Come out, the correct answer. Come into is not correct. Come by. Come by means something happened. Something happened by sudden. The Internet technology has helped to dash a lot of websites. Which what is suitable to fill the gap? Remove, no. Deploy, no. Develop, develop the correct answer. Destroy, no. Destroy means damage, remove means disappear, deploy means opens. Here the correct answer, develop. Next question, the social services helps us to observe, no. Observe means realize, tell means express, entertain means something to enjoy. The correct answer here, exchange. Exchange is here is suitable to fill the gap. Suitable or to fill the gap. The social service helps us to exchange interest and activities around the world. Next question, social network allows users to upload pictures only? No. Some things. To post blog enters only? No. The modify the profile only? No. The correct answer is here, to upload picture, contents and modify the profile. At present, Facebook is the most here expensive? No. Demotic? No. Expensive means costly. Demotic means something to relate the people? No. Alarming? No. The common, the correct answer. At present, Facebook is the common, the most common. The social network services reduce relation among the people? No. Set about? No. To promote relation among the people. Cut off means disconnect. Set about? Something to somewhere to go or start. Reduce means decrease. Here correct answer, promote. What is the base of social networks? Internet, mobile phone, computer, last web based. Yes, here the answer, web based. Here I will discuss question number 2. Answer the following questions. Why are social networks expanding fast? So it is a simple question, simple answers. Social network expanding so fast because social networks social networks is free from cost. It does not take any money. Sometimes it takes a very little. Others, social networks allow users to upload various informations, videos and pictures. And thirdly, it helps someone to present oneself before the people in the world, but before the world. What is social networks? Social network is a web-based technology which provides the users to interact through networking service. What is the advantage of social network? The advantage of social network is immense. It makes it possible to immerse a good number of websites to facilitate social relations among people around the world. What have made the world global village? Internet and social network services have made the world global village? This is the last question and it is very important. What is the main purpose of the author of the passage? The main purpose of the author of the passage is to highlight the importance and advantage and the uses of the internet, which brought about a revolutionary change in the communication system among the world. This is the question's answer. I will try my best to make it easy, and that is, I imagine that is very helpful, but that will be very helpful for you. Thanks everybody. Other day I will appear before you about other topics and various questions. Thanks everybody.